So I went down a rabbit hole looking for some really awesome crochet patterns that you guys could use for Father's Day. And I found some really ridiculous ones, and other ones are pretty useful. I put these all into sections to make it easier for you. We have hats, stuff for the outdoorsy dad, stuff for the on the go dad, some grill master stuff, and even some stuff for those couch potato dads. So whether you're looking for something practical or funny, there are tons of options, and let's get right into it. Okay, so this very first section is hats. Okay, and this is a beer mug hat, and this is a great option for any beer connoisseur father who loves a good laugh and just loves something different. I thought this was great. Okay, and this one I'm pretty sure I shared in my previous Father's Day roundup from last year. You should definitely go check that out because the whole thing is free. All kinds of free patterns. But this was just too good not to share again because I think it's just an awesome concept. It's a great idea for keeping all of those hats organized in one spot, and it actually looks pretty good to hanging on the wall too. This is one of those practical gifts for dad. Okay, and this is such a clever way to stay warm, even beyond what the hat could offer you. This, like, I think it's like just extra long. They might even do like the bottom part a little bit different, but it's made to fold up so that you could put like those hand warmer packs inside and keep your ears warm. That's awesome. It's great for those dads who work out in the mornings where it's super cold, or honestly great for anyone. Okay, and this is our first paid hat. It's $5.99. I meant to say pattern and hat, and I said pat. Anyways, it's $5.99. It's the first paid hat. I think this is a great Father's Day gift. It's a little bit more personal, so if you got a papa in your life, you could definitely learn how to make this. And maybe, and once you learn how to make like the letters and stuff like that, you could make it say anything. So I think this is also a great way to learn how to do like crocheting letters, like the grid stuff. I think this is a great way to learn that. Okay, and this next section is for those outdoorsy fathers. Okay, and this first one is $6, and it is a big mouth bass basket, or like a big mouth bass caddy. I feel like the basket is like so hard to say. Big mouth bass basket. But it's definitely one of a kind and such a fun idea and a great way to like present a gift. And it's also a gift in itself. I think this is great for that fisher dad. They can keep like maybe not like their tackle in it, but or they can keep whatever they want in it. I think this is great. Maybe to keep in their truck or whatever. I think it's a great conversation starter. I think it's awesome. Okay, and this is a fun outdoorsy option. It is like a lumberjack beer can cozy, and I thought it was kind of funny, but it's free and I think it's cute. If it's the whole cabin forest vibe. So if you got like a lumberjack dad or someone who works in a mill or something like that, this might be a perfect gift for them. Okay, and this one's actually super useful for when you're camping. So if you have a dad who loves to go camping a lot, this is a camping chair caddy. And you can keep like their drink in one side and a phone in the other because not all camping chairs are built with a cup holder. They're just not, and they break really easy. So, I think that this is a really great option. Okay, and this is a super practical gift for any outdoorsy dad. This is like a first aid pouch. Awesome. And I think that I'm not sure if they show you how to put on a zipper, but you don't always have to do a zipper. But this is perfect to just, throw in a hiking backpack or in the car or something like that. I think it's one of those really useful gifts. Okay, and this one is $11.79. It was on sale for like five something, I want to say, when I did find this pattern, but I wanted to put the full price just so that in case it wasn't on sale when you guys found this video, you weren't like caught off guard. But it's corner to corner, and I love corner to corner. I think it's perfect for anyone who needs a blanket that's going to work up fast. And I think this pattern is great for anyone who loves the outdoors or hunting. And let's be honest, blue is my favorite color, so I love the colors of this. Okay, so the next section is for those on the go dads. Okay, and this is like a personal pouch, and I love this idea. Obviously, it's showing headphones right here, but they could use it for anything. It's great for keeping those small essential items organized when you're on the go. You just throw it in a car, maybe in a glove box, whatever he needs. It's great for those busy dads. Okay, and this one is kind of funny. I believe this is a free pattern. It is free. This is a great gift for those doggy dads. It's a poop bag. I thought it was kind of funny and great. I could see a lot of dads loving this. It's pretty funny. You could just clip it to, the dog's leash or his harness or whatever. Great for those dads who always have their dogs with them and struggle for a place to keep the poop bags. Okay, and these ones are like earbud organizers, and I think these are a great idea. Pretty simple design, and you could like organize it and decorate it with any kind of button you wanted to. It keeps everything from getting all tangled when you're on the go. And I could see like maybe a dad who's at the gym a lot, maybe not everyone has cordless earbuds. I actually don't even like earbuds. I wear the headphones that go way over my ears because I have sensitive ears. So, if this would fit a father who wears corded earbuds, or, you could use it for even a charger. So I think this is a great invention and it looks pretty simple to do. Okay, and I think I shared this one in like my Mother's Day roundup, but you could use it for fathers too. You could do it in any color you wanted to. It is a sunglass holder, and you could even do like a strap around it, and so that they could like attach it to the visor if you wanted to. I think that was a great idea. Great for those dads who are driving a lot, or on the go a lot. Great way to keep their favorite sunglasses safe. Okay, and this, I loved this idea. It is $4.49, and imagine it not pink, but it is a phone holder that just goes onto your belt. So I know a lot of fathers don't like keeping, their phone in their back pocket. A lot of men keep their wallets in their back pocket, and they're gonna have their phone. It's just a whole thing for men. They don't like carrying purses, and so this is a way to keep it easy. I know a lot of men wear, the phone holsters, and finding one that fits your specific phone can be an issue sometimes. So make one tailored to your father's phone. I could see this being a really practical and useful gift that dad would actually want. Okay, and I actually love this idea. This is a walker organizer, and this is great for those fathers who just refuse to be stopped. It's a great place to keep their phone always accessible for emergencies or, snacks or anything else they need to keep handy because, their hands are busy with the walker. I think this would make any father's life easier if they're in a walker and, because you only have two hands and his hands are busy. So go make your father's life easier if he is in a walker. Okay, this next section is for those grill masters in your life. And this first one is the most perfect gift for those grill master dad in your life. It is an apron, and I believe that they show you how to even make the ketchup and mustard appliques that go on there. It's just fun and practical, especially if you make pockets. And you know what? I was actually thinking if you were to make like tube pockets for like the utensils that he's going to be using, you can just slip right in. That would be a good idea. Okay, and this is like a miniature shark oven mitt, and I think this would be a great talking point at any barbecue. I could see dads having a lot of fun with this. This is a skillet handle cover, and I think this is a very practical gift for any father who's always in the kitchen cooking or even on the grill. It will make cooking more efficient and probably prevent injuries from men being macho men. I can grab this. Okay, and this one is $2.95, and I have never seen a cozy with a lid before. And I think this is a great idea for when you're grilling outdoors. It keeps the bugs from getting in the drink, and you can even do it in different colors and stuff. It's very useful. I like this idea. Okay, and this next section is for those couch potato fathers. Okay, and this one is awesome. I love this idea. It is a standing remote caddy for your couch. This is perfect for if you have like multiple remotes and a father who gets frustrated when they get lost. Keeps them all in one place, and I'm pretty sure that's like a drink holder in the center. I'm not completely sure. I'm not sure if you would trust that, but I think it's an awesome idea. I think a dad would appreciate this for sure. Okay, and this one is awesome for those lazy boy dads. It is an armchair remote caddy. I struggled with that. It looks like a pretty straightforward design as far as like patterns go. You could do it in any color you wanted to. I think it's a great place to keep all dad's remotes and phones easily accessible. I think dad would really appreciate this. You could even do it in like his favorite sports colors. Because let's face it, he's probably in that chair watching TV. His favorite sports team or something. Watching football. Okay, and this one is awesome and adds a nice touch to the couch area, especially if you have a dad who's on the couch scrolling a lot on that tablet. It props it up for him so he doesn't have to hold it. He can do other things, maybe while he's eating dinner or something. It's probably one of those gifts that he's going to use all the time if he's a scroller. Okay, and this one is $5.50, and this honestly reminded me of my father. I had to add it because of that, because it reminded me of the loafers that my father used to wear, and only these ones look way more comfy and cozy. This is perfect for hanging around the house, and you can honestly customize it in his favorite colors. And this one I do believe that I shared in the most unique pillows roundup that I did, so definitely go check that out. But it was so perfect that I had to add it into here because this is great for any father who always gets cold feet, is that couch potato, maybe has like mobility issues and can't get his feet up onto the couch. No more struggling to get those blankets under your feet. You just slip your feet into the sleeve that's on the pillow, and it keeps it nice and cozy. And it's cushioned on the ground. I think this is awesome. I hope this roundup helped you guys get prepared for Father's Day, and I hope you guys found something that's easy to make and something that spoke to you. I will see you in the next one, and remember above all else that Jesus loves you. Bye.